There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. The reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Stand up when the cameras are rolling. So, all right, how do you get crushed on stage if you've never been crushed? Rebecca, come on up here. You've been my student for a while now. What are you doing?
I'm actually doing a monologue that I wrote.
You wrote?
Yeah.
Aww. I'm a writer, right? Okay. Tell me what it's about. Oh, do we start? Tell me what it's about.
Okay, it's about this woman not approaching, but, oh my gosh, what is it? She's...
Just say it.
I know, I'm trying to. She's confronting this man, and she's like, why are you...
What is he doing?
Fucking with me. Just messing with her, just...
You're a lovely, you're very attractive. You've had men confront you.
Yes.
You're... But you know what I'm saying? It happens.
Right.
Just go with that. Let's hear it. Take it out that way.
Okay.
1 second. If you don't hit it, you'll never work in this town again.
Look at you. Just a smug look on your face.
Project.
You think you got to me? You think you got through to me?
Lovely, stop right there. Now, he's not just harming you. You have a baby, 4 if I remember, right? She just turned 4 years old, right?
Yes.
If a man's confronting you, he's not only doing danger to you, he's endangering your family, your kid. What's your kid's name?
Valletta.
What?
Valletta.
Valletta. And what's your husband's name?
Jason.
Jason. Is there any other kids you know about?
Bernadette.
Wait, where are you getting these names?
French.
Ah, vous êtes très jolie. Je ne peux pas parler français.
Maybe.
What I'm saying is, if he's threatening you, you're a married woman with kids, family. He's threatening not just you, the kids you brought into this world. Take it to the next level. The beginning actor just thinks to that chair. The medium actor thinks beyond the wall. The advanced actor thinks beyond that wall to the building next door and questions the universe. Go there. He's now affecting your family, your kids, even your dog. If someone was threatening your family, your kids, your husband, can I see that? Let's go back. Is there someone in your life, you've all had idiots before, that in a relationship? That ex? You've had that ex that was a problem? Huh?
True.
You had? Does he have a first name? It's in the... All right, can I borrow you, young man? And can I have 2 strong men? Maybe Mike back there. Mike, you. And where's my Emmy guy? Can I have you hold her tight? And Kelvin, can I have you stand here? Not in the camera, but over here. Whoever he is, the man you just told me, he's affecting you. If here it is, you have your home, your house, your family. Where do you live in Virginia? Where do you live?
I live in Bethesda.
Bethesda. And this man keeps coming to your house. And you don't know what to do. Go after him. He's fucking with you. He's not just fucking with you. You fear for your kids, your daughters, your French daughters. Go after him with everything you have. Lovely, when you're on set and it's a $2.3 million picture, every dime counts. Nail it.
Look at you.
Go after him, your whole body.
Look at you.
Lovely, your whole body.
Look at you sitting
Go
there
after him,
with
go
that
after
smug
him,
look
go
on your
after
face.
him.
Oh, you think you got to me? You think you can get through to me?
Stop.
Wipe that smile off your face.
Lovely.
You are not that.
If he approached your daughter, take it away from you, your kids, to get to you. Take it away from you. Put it on the little French daughter. Would that change things? Go after him.
Look at you.
The whole
That's
body.
not-
Go after him!
You think you got through to me? You think you can get to me?
The
What
whole
the
body.
smoke
Go
look
after
off
him.
your
Go
face, I
after
can
him. Hold it
guarantee
down.
you.
Go after him. Go
You
after
are
him.
not that good. You are not that good. You sit there and you play games with whomever you please. And you think you're that delusional to think that you can make a girl falter?
Lovely. Can I talk to you? No. Lovely, come here.
I feel like I'm in trouble.
My bad.
Lovely.
Look at you. Sitting there with that smug look on your face. You think you got through to me? You think you got through to me? Wipe your smile off your face because I can tell you that you are not that good. You sit there and you play games with whomever you please. And you think you are that delusional to think that that you could affect me. And fuck you. Who the fuck do you think you are? I don't play games. I don't play this game.
Okay. Thank you, Lovely.
And then red, and then a deep
It's
blue.
a gun to your
And
head.
when you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel, then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting
Take it
together.
to a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
Yeah. You know, you guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that. You know.